Good morning. Myself, Guruswami K, Assistant Professor in Physics. Now I am going to deliver a sixth lecture on nanophysics. This nanophysics comes under the paper 6 of third BSc program of Kuvempu University. Now I am going to cover the topics like the possible 2 marks questions and 4 marks questions will appear in the examinations. Recap of the previous session. In the previous session, we discussed about concept of nanomaterials, general properties of nanoparticles, classification of nanoparticles, concept of fullerenes, carbon nanotubes, their production, types, properties, and applications, nanoelectronics, nanomedicine, advantages and disadvantages of this nanomedicine, etc. These are the topics covered in the previous sessions. Now we are going to discuss the probable questions may set among these topics discussed in the previous sessions. The learning objectives of this session is to check the ability of students based on the performance, classify the students as slow learners and fast learners. Session outcomes. From this session, we can measure the weakness of the student, conducting remedial classes and additional tests for slow learners, and encourage the fast learners to solve some conceptual questions, motivate the fast learners for participate in minor research activities. That's the session outcomes. Now we are going to discuss the possible 2 marks questions should ask from the previous discussions. First one is, what are nanomaterials? Give the examples for nanomaterials observing in daily life. The second question is, write the general properties of nanomaterials. Here plenty of properties are there. In your syllabus they mentioned mechanical, optical property, mechanical property, magnetic properties were mentioned. We have to discuss those. Give the applications of nanomaterials in different fields. Next question is, give the classification of nanomaterials with examples. And there are 2 types of classification that discussed in the previous session. One is based on the chiral indices and other one is based on the number of walls in the carbon nanotubes. This is classification of nanomaterials based on the dimensions. 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. What are fullerenes? Mention its types. Give a brief note on C60 fullerene. Mention the properties and applications of fullerenes. Next question is, what is graphene? Give its importance in nanotechnology. Next question is, what are carbon nanotubes? Give the classification of carbon nanotube. Here we are going to classify the carbon nanotubes into 2 categories. One is based on the chiral indices as armchair and zigzag, and another one is based on the number of walls in the carbon nanotubes as single wall, double wall and multi-wall. Mention few properties of carbon nanotube. Give any 4 applications of carbon nanotube. And next question is, write the medical applications of nanoparticles. What are the disadvantages of nanomedicine? Write a note on quantum well. Write a note on quantum rod. Write a note on quantum data. These are the possible 2 marks questions from this nanophysics. Next, 4 marks questions. First question is, give a brief note on mechanical, electrical, optical and magnetic properties of nanomaterials. Second one, what are carbon nanotubes? Mention the important properties and applications of carbon nanotubes. Next possible question is, what are fullerenes? Mention its types and explain the structure and properties of C60 fullerenes. Next question is, discuss the production of carbon nanotube by arc discharge method with a neat diagram. This is an important question. May I ask in this nanophysics chapter. Next question is, what is nanoelectronics? Discuss briefly quantum well, quantum wire and quantum dot. These are the few references used to discuss the syllabus covered under the heading of nanophysics. Thank you.